Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Skrill PIN if you've forgotten it while logging into your account. If you're logged out of your Skrill account because you've forgotten your 6-digit PIN, then you can easily reset it. First of all, open the Skrill application on your device, and once you are inside this page where it asks you your PIN code, click on the Forgot PIN link. Now on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your Skrill account's password. Simply type it down correctly in the text box. Once you are done typing in your correct password, click on Confirm at the bottom. Now, you'll receive an email with the link to reset your PIN. Click on Open Email or click Open your email service provider's app and you'll receive an email from Skrill. Click on it to open up the email and click on Reset PIN option. Now select any web browser and you'll be taken to the Reset Your PIN tab. Enter your new 6-digit PIN that you want to change to. After you are done, click on Confirm and you'll be able to change your PIN code for your Skrill account. Next time, enter the new PIN code when prompted and you'll then be able to access back to your account anytime you want. So that's how you easily reset your Skrill PIN safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.